much data. Eggman's about to activate something called the Guardian Hunter.
No prizes for guessing what that's supposed to do. So, how do we stop it?
The good news is that its launch controls are just past the barrier. The bad news is that's where the security nightmares are waiting.
So, one of us needs to fight our way to the off switch on the Guardian Hunter.
I'll do it! I'll do my part! Cream, no! Oh no! Can we follow her?
I need time to regain my strength. I'm sorry.
Relax, Cream's got this. She's growing up on us fast, and she's got cheese with her.
Yeah. I just wish we could do more to help. Oh, that's pretty scary! Yow!
Children shouldn't mess with other people's toys!
I won't let you hurt Miss R.E.M.!
You've outlived your usefulness, you brat! Foreman, report to the control room, at once! Attack on sight! might not have had the time to gift wrap it, but I do hope the Guardian likes what I built for her.
Oh no! Sorry, everyone. I tried my best, but Dr. Eggman tricked me and...
You were very brave. I could ask nothing more of you. Besides, thanks to your efforts, I had the power to restore your friends.
Nice work back there, kid.
Way to show up these amateurs! Mr. Knuckles! Miss Rouge! I'm so happy you're free!
Yep. Now we can help protect REM too. It's what Guardians do, right?
Handsome one, isn't he?
Sure, but he's such a brute. No class or tact at all.
Can we get back to stopping Eggman's plans already?
Sounds good to me. Let's get moving.